Hello, Danny Brown here from MarineMax in Palm Beach. We're here today looking at the Boston Whaler 315 Conquest Express style boat. This one's got a white hull, stainless steel rub rail, twin 300 V8 Verados with joystick docking. Let's take a look inside. So big open cockpit, plenty of space for fishing in here, and this will quickly convert, which I'll show you in a minute. So a quick conversion reveals your summer kitchen, grill, electric grill, port side seat, transom seat, in-deck fish boxes on both sides. The port side seat backrest reverses, so you can be facing backwards, watching the fishing lines, or just relaxing, and you have a footrest there. And going up into the helm deck area, refrigerator with a sink. That cushion on the port side is removable. 16-inch Raymarine Axiom, joystick control, VHF radio, there's your captain's chair. And taking a look inside the cabin, this is your forward V-berth, so that table will lower and convert into a bed. Port side galley, microwave, refrigerator, hot plate. And then your mid-berth back here can sleep another 2 people. Air conditioning in the cabin, also helm air conditioning and generator on this boat. Again, my name is Danny Brown, MarineMax Palm Beach. Feel free to come in anytime. My telephone number, 561 800 4339.